This is a page from, or part of a page from Glass Attic. If you don't know about Glass Attic, it is like the go-to place for polymer clay information. And I went to their page on conditioning, and they had a section about old or hard clay. Okay, so that's GLASSATTIC, no space, .com, forward space polymer, forward space conditioning. It has like, what Glass Attic does is that they, I think it's Diane Black was running it the last time I thought about it. These are quotes from different people whose names you might recognize, uh, you know, and what they've said over the years about what to do with uh, old or hard clay. Um, as you know, obviously, using a diluent like Sculpey Diluent or liquid Sculpey Bakable transfer, uh, liquid clay, um, liquid Sculpey. Those are like, professional go-tos. Another suggestion is using a bit of baby oil, which I found. So that'll be our next step. And I'm doing a screen capture using software but from NCH, and it's called Debut, and it's able to show uh, what's on my screen. And I'm sort of yelling into my webcam because that's where the microphone is. Okay, so let's see if this is workable. Okay, here's what I found in my stash. I found, okay, what is it? Continue. Okay, I'm getting some like weird notifications from my software that I'm cobbling together. Okay, let's see, where do we go? Here we go. Does it show? This is Dilu-tent from Sculpey, which I was like really surprised that I could find. I mean, it's like I have like, well, where is it? I have like this much in there. Okay, that's what that's the product that Sculpey makes to help you. Where to go? Help you soften hard clay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What I was trying to say in the earlier part of the video is that liquid Sculpey also can be used to soften hard clay. Okay, you throw your hard clay in the food processor and you know uh, get it until like crumbles, and then what I do is I just like squirt liquid Sculpey on it and just keep on whirling it around until it turns into a ball, and we'll see. And then I run it through the pasta machine a couple hundred times. Okay. If you don't have these particular products, you can easily get baby oil. Baby oil. Okay. And I was really surprised that I was able to find this. Oh, I was at the local supermarket. We have, like a little strip mall supermarket, family run, in my complex. And I was getting baby powder, baby oil, little cupcake cups, um, aluminum foil, and I think barbecue skewers or something. And then the lady at the cash register said, "Oh, are your grandchildren coming over?" I said, "No, this is this is for polymer clay." Oh, and I was buying uh, liquid floor acrylic because I don't use expensive stuff to polish my items. I just use liquid floor acrylic, industrial, janitorial, you know, version. I think I must have like the leftover of a yeah crazy. Oh, here we go. Floor finish, high gloss. That's what I use on my beads because, as we all know, I am I'm an artist on a budget. So and that thing is so dusty and just like it hasn't been underneath my table like for 100 years. Okay, so I was buying these things, and she says, "Are your grandchildren coming over?" I said, "No, all this is this is for my polymer clay." And she goes, "What?" And I said, "Well, the baby powder is for putting into molds when I make face molds." Because there's a trick, and it's on my website. In some sort of obscure part of my website, you can go spelunking to find it. That if you carve a face with no particular expression, just a straight face, just your passport mugshot, cure that face, make a mold after it's cured, make a mold of it. Okay, don't take it out. Dust it with some baby powder, put some soft clay in it, and blink, you have a mold of that expressionless face. Then all you got to do is make a smile, make a frown, you know, put some lines on it, drag it down to make a ode, it's a trick. Anyway, if you go to my website and look up iterations, you'll see uh, how you can sculpt faces in sections. Like you get the forehead right, cure it, make a mold, make an impression, get the nose right, and you got forehead and nose right, make a mold, cure it, make a mold, make an impression, and sort of like you get the face in sections. But if you make a face with no um, expression, then you can like goof around with it, make it old, make it angry, make it happy, make it wistful, depending on what you want to do with the eyeballs. And there is eyeball cane that we can make too. But anyway, I digress, right? So I guess the next video is going to be my using these three different products. The diluent, okay, the Sculpey diluent, the liquid, polymer clay, and the baby oil, and see how it works on my old clay. What I'm also going to do is I'm just going to take out a package that has been wrapped up all these years and see if we can beat it into submission. Indian arm wrestle. And those who have been with me for a long time know, where is it? This is the fist of doom. We have to warm it up. And ladies, you can warm it up by sticking it underneath your bazooms. Please keep it wrapped because red clay does leave stains on your white brassieres. And remember that if you're warming up clay underneath your bazooms, don't forget that it's there. There's like weird stories about lady forgot it was there. She was warming up, burnt umber. She was at work. She was like going to the bathroom and she leaned over, to take care of her business. And this brown log fell out from underneath her bazooms and rolled out of the stall. And people were going, "Oh no." And she goes, "No, no, no, it's just polymer clay." True story. I don't have to make this stuff up. I'm just reporting the news. Okay, so that's about it for this for this ridiculous segment. And then let's add it to the other stuff. Okie doke.